Boeing shares are rising today. There's some speculation swirling around about Boeing at least raising the possibility that the scenario we settled on may not be the only answer, and that birds may have been involved in the crash of the Ethiopian jet.
So here's what they're saying. This is what the Wall Street Journal is saying. They're saying a high-ranking Boeing executive first raised and dismissed the possibility of a bird collision, triggering a similar sequence of events that could cause a second accident. U.S. aviation authorities increasingly believe that a version of that scenario, described by Boeing executive Mike Sinnott at a November meeting with American airline pilots, may have caused the Ethiopian Airlines crash nearly 4 months later. This, according to officials familiar with the details. The crash happened after a sensor sent faulty data, possibly due to a bird strike, leading to automated commands that repeatedly push the nose of the plane
Look, the
down.
bird strike, what they're describing in this article would be the bird strike damaging the sensors that then led to the same problem of the nose pulling down and the pilots pulling up. So you still get back to the problem being that there weren't two sensors, there wasn't a light indicating that there was a different reading coming from the two sensors and helping the pilots determine what was really happening. Even if it was a bird strike that caused the sensor to be damaged, I think you're still back at the same position of this being a situation where there were other controls that could have prevented a problem like this, if that is actually what happened. Obviously, all of these investigations take months and months and months to go through.
Then that would suggest that there were two bird strikes. Because it would suggest...
Well, this is suggesting only in the Ethiopian situation. They're saying the pilots should have known at that point because the Malaysian Air situation had already occurred. So a lot of complicating factors, but you do see the stock is up by about $5.40. That's a gain of about 1.5%.